Good morning students, hope you all are fine. Here I am with this special video. In this video I am going to teach chapter number 2, exercise 2.2, question number 7. Question is saying that the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find these multiples. I will read the question once again. The sum of three consecutive means which come one after the other. For example, if I will read the table of 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. This is called the table of 8, but multiples of 8 means this one, this one. These are multiples of 8. So if I choose this as x, this must be x plus 8. Why x plus 8? Because the gap is of 8. And this must be x plus 16. Okay, now in general whenever question comes that consecutive multiples, you always take first as x because we don't know from which one we have to start. So let's suppose first integer, first multiple of 8 is x, second will be x plus 8, and third will be x plus 16. Now go to the question, the sum. Here is written the sum, so take the sum. Once we take their sum, it will be x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to how much? 888. Now I will erase this first. It is x. How many times x is coming? It is 3 times. So I should write 3x plus 8 plus 16, that means 24, is equal to 888. So 3x will be equal to 888 minus 24. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 as it is 3x. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 80 means we got the value of x as 288. This is the value of x. Now question was saying that sum of three consecutive multiples. It means first multiple of 8 is 288. Next will be x plus 8, and the third will be x plus 16. It means therefore multiples of 8, or you can simply write therefore numbers are, or multiples are, first multiple is 288 because we started from x. Next is x plus 8 means 288 plus 8, and the next is 288 plus 16. It means 288 is the first one, second is 296, and third is 304. These are the multiples. These are the three consecutive multiples of 8. I hope you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.